go. That's a nice car, man. Man, that's sweet, man.
The hood.
Oh yeah. Man, that's sweet, man. That baby, they're nasty, man.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian.
I'm Sal.
And today we're going to be installing a Vicrez Dodge Demon hood on your car.
But first, bro, we gotta open it up.
Alright, let's go do that.
The first thing you want to do is visually inspect your box to make sure there's no damage to the outside to ensure that your hood isn't damaged. Then you want to go ahead and break apart all the wood that surrounds your box, and then you can open your box. Once you open the box, you want to make sure to flip the hood on its top side so you can locate these strings and you can untie them, and then you can open it up and you can remove the hood and flip it over. Before you remove your old hood, you must first remove the heat shield. Remove all the pins and the heat shield will come right off. Once you remove the heat shield, remove the windshield washer tubing. Install the new windshield washer spray nozzles into the Demon hood, just like so. When you install it, make sure you push in the washer nozzle and you hear an audible click. Make sure to disconnect the shocks that hold up your hood, and next find the 4 13mm bolts, remove them, and the hood will come right off. It is much easier to use 2 people when removing the hood, and once you remove the old hood, to install the new one, it's just moving backwards from the previous steps. The last thing to do is insert the Demon hood scoop in the front of the hood, and you're done.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how you install the Vicrez Dodge Demon hood on your Dodge Challenger. Now if you like these videos, hit that like button.
Leave a comment below.
And if you love these videos, hit that subscribe button.
We'll see you next time, guys.
Peace out. Alright, wow,
Hit
wow.
It,
You ready?
Hit it, intro.
Hit it? Alright, let's go.
Keep recording, baby.
Oh, let's go.
You stop recording. Now if you like these videos, hit that like button.
And comment.
I already forgot my part.
Oh. Who's the girl with the cues and says like, okay, and then just, you know.